Today, Robert F. Kennedy Jr. will be on Capitol Hill meeting with lawmakers. He is President-elect Donald Trump's pick to be the next Secretary of Health and Human Services. Kennedy facing pushback for his views on vaccines. And this midday, ABC's Perry Russum with more from Washington.
Today, President-elect Trump announcing a $100 billion investment in U.S. projects from the Japanese investment group SoftBank.
It will help ensure that artificial intelligence, emerging technologies, and other industries of tomorrow are built, created, and grown right here in the USA.
On Capitol Hill today, Trump's controversial pick to be the next Secretary of Health and Human Services, Robert F. Kennedy Jr., is set to make his case to lawmakers.
I'm going to let him go wild on health. I'm going to let him go wild on the food. I'm going to let him go wild on medicine.
Kennedy ran for president as an independent before throwing his support behind Trump.
And one of the issues that he talked about was having safe food and ending the chronic disease epidemic.
If confirmed, Kennedy would oversee health agencies including the Food and Drug Administration and Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, having broad influence over public health in the U.S. He faces skepticism from lawmakers in both parties for his views on vaccines. He spread false theories about vaccines, claiming they're not safe and effective, even though most used today have been used safely for decades. This weekend, Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell, a polio survivor, with a warning, saying efforts to undermine public confidence in proven cures are not just uninformed, they're dangerous, adding anyone seeking the Senate's consent to serve in the incoming administration would do well to steer clear of even the appearance of association with such efforts. A spokesman for Kennedy says he believes the polio vaccine should be available to the public and thoroughly and properly studied. Kennedy could win over support from some Democrats when it comes to issues like processed foods. Vermont Senator Bernie Sanders, for one, says it's premature to say how he will vote on Kennedy's confirmation. Perry Russum, ABC News, Washington.